Nowadays, building automation needs to be flexible and network-enabled, while meeting demanding energy efficiency targets. SBC's product portfolio covers the whole range, from controllers and web HMI for operation and visualization on the management level, through to consumption data capture via S monitoring, as well as components and field devices. The SIA PCD7 web panel enables local visualization and control. The graphic design can be adjusted flexibly thanks to sophisticated web technology. SIA PCD7 web panels come in various sizes and forms and have graphic templates. The devices in the SIA PCD3 families meet the highest requirements for modularity, expandability, and flexible communications. Their direct manual function means the PCD3 controllers are ideal for use in power conditioning and distribution systems. Further plus points: easy installation, industrial quality, and long service life. SBC's SIA PCD models enable flexible room automation that already meets the requirements of the future. The E-line controller is the ideal addition to the functional modules for temperature, light, and shading. It plays a key role in information distribution between all field bus networks and IP-based communication, such as BACnet, for example. The E-line controller connects the room automation with the higher-level SCADA system. SIA PCD1 E-line remote input-output modules are designed to supplement PCD controllers for installation in electrical distributors and control cabinets. The manual override operation with variable safety concept lets you switch outputs directly on the module and via PCD controller websites. If the communication is interrupted, the outputs automatically go to configurable safety failsafe positions. SIA PCD1 E-line room modules are specially designed with an input-output combination for the requirements of modern room automation. Their compact DIN standard dimension design makes them extremely easy to install. The room module is also freely programmable and can be used as a standalone solution. The SIA PCD1 E-line light and shade module enables integrated current measuring for positioning sensors and finding defects. Light can be dimmed via the analog outputs, and digital inputs allow buttons and switches to be connected. It is freely programmable and can function autonomously. Lights can be controlled flexibly and conveniently with a space-saving SIA PCD1 E-line DALI module. It has 4 digital inputs to connect electrical sensors and can connect with up to 64 DALI bus devices. SIA PCD7 room panels have been developed specifically for use in flexible, high-quality areas. Heating, ventilation, lighting or blinds, all sections of a room can be controlled with these panels. The panel's surface can be freely designed according to the scenario. Room functions can also be controlled from mobile devices via the SBC Micro Browser app. The app establishes a direct connection to the control unit. It is available for iOS and Android. communication is an indispensable part of energy efficiency in buildings. E-line automation components are adjusted to the purpose and harmonized with each other in communication. They can therefore have a positive effect on the building technology's operating costs.